Ever wondered how to maintain peak health during the chilly winter months? Well, today we're diving headfirst into a pool of practical tips and advice on just that. Winter, the season of frosty breaths and cozy blankets, can also unfortunately become a time of sniffles and sneezes. But fret not, because staying healthy isn't as hard as it might seem. The first step to safeguarding your health is to ensure you're getting a balanced diet. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but it's easy to forget when the weather outside is frightful, and all you want is a steaming cup of hot chocolate. Make sure to include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Citrus fruits in particular are packed with vitamin C, known to support a healthy immune system. Next, don't forget to hydrate. While it's tempting to reach for hot drinks, remember that water is vital for your body's functions. So, make a habit of sipping on water throughout the day, even if you're not feeling particularly thirsty. Exercise is another crucial aspect of maintaining health during winter. With the cold weather, it's easy to get tempted to curl up under a blanket all day. But remember, regular physical activity can help boost your immune system and keep those winter bugs at bay. Sleep, often overlooked, is a vital part of staying healthy. It's essential to get a good night's sleep to allow your body to rest and rejuvenate. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Lastly, maintain good hygiene practices. Wash your hands regularly, avoid close contact with those who are sick, and keep your surroundings clean. So, there you have it. Staying healthy during winter doesn't require a Herculean effort. A balanced diet, proper hydration, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and good hygiene are the key ingredients to a winter full of health and happiness. To wrap it up, remember to nourish your body with a variety of fruits and vegetables. Hydrate frequently, keep moving, prioritize sleep, and maintain good hygiene. Follow these steps, and winter will be a breeze, health-wise. So go ahead, embrace the winter with open arms, and stay healthy.